Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on electricity. And as you can see here, I've got some shocking facts, as the title says here, about static electricity. Now, I'm not going to read through this whole article here because it'll just take up too much time. But as always with my other videos, I'm going to assume you know information about certain words that you're going to be reading here, such as like protons and electrons and so forth. Okay, so if you don't understand what some of the words are here or the meanings, uh, please leave me a message and we can make an arrangement, or you can look it up on your own. Now, like I said, I'm not going to read through this. I'm just going to go ahead and go through the questions. So let's go ahead and take a look at those now. So I've got 5 questions here, and I'm going to do it a little bit differently than what I normally do for reading comprehension type of questions. So the directions say, write true or false before each statement. Rewrite each false statement to make it true. Write them in a complete sentence. Okay, so that's if you're going to write the false statement to make it true, just write that in a complete sentence. So I will go ahead and read through the 5 questions now. Number 1 says, an atom with an equal number of protons and electrons is negatively charged. Number 2, static electricity is a safe form of electricity. Question 3 says, opposite charges attract. Number 4 says, static electricity flows through a circuit. And question number 5 says, write about static electricity you have experienced and how you think it was created. So basically, if you've encountered any kind of electric experience, like what you've read in the article, write it in the space below. Now, I just gave several lines as a way to prompt you, but you can go ahead and write a little bit more than that, but not too much, maybe 5 lines tops, okay? So maybe 3 to 5 sentences, okay? So that's all I really want. So these are the questions for the reading. Now, I will leave a link in the description below where you can have access to the questions as well as the reading. So you can print it out if you like. I will also leave the answer key to these, the first 4 that is, as 5 is objective based. You'll be writing what your experiences, what you went through yourself. So the first 4 will have answers. So you can go down to, like I said, to the description below and get those. Okay, so that'll do it for this week's video. And as always, thank you for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you once again for joining in today's lesson. Please message me through Facebook Messenger, or you can email me at jollyformore@gmail.com to learn more about my online tutorial service. Please leave a comment down below. If you know someone interested in hiring an online tutor, share this video. And if you would like to get a bell notification for all my newest videos, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And until then, please be safe out there. Have a great day.